Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your 3D printing experience, the Dremel BT40-01 Build Sheets for the Dremel 3D40 Idea Builder. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Dremel BT40-01 Build Sheets are designed specifically for use with the Dremel 3D40 Idea Builder 3D printer. If you're a 3D printing enthusiast or a professional, these build sheets are an essential accessory that can make your printing process smoother and more efficient. So, what makes these build sheets stand out? First and foremost, they are incredibly durable. Each sheet is designed to last up to 100 builds, which means you won't constantly need to replace them. This durability is a game changer for those who frequently print, ensuring that you're not only saving time but also resources in the long run. Another highlight is the convenience these sheets offer. With a single sheet, you can achieve a bubble-free surface quickly. This eliminates the frustrating issues often associated with traditional build surfaces like warping or lifting, allowing you to focus more on your design rather than the technical details of setup. Speaking of setup, removing the completed prints from these build sheets is a breeze. You won't have to deal with any messy residue left behind, which can often be a hassle with other materials. This means less cleanup time and more time to enjoy your new creations. Customization is also a key feature of these build sheets. They are made to fit perfectly with the Dremel 3D40 build plate, protecting it from damage and ensuring a snug fit. This custom sizing enhances the overall performance of your printer, making each print more reliable. So, who are these build sheets suitable for? Whether you're a hobbyist looking to create unique models, an educator incorporating 3D printing into your curriculum, or a professional designer producing prototypes, these build sheets can cater to a variety of users. If you've ever faced challenges with print adhesion or cleanup, these sheets are a solid solution. In practical terms, you can use these build sheets for a wide range of projects, from intricate miniatures to larger functional parts. They're particularly beneficial for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints without the usual frustrations associated with 3D printing. In summary, the Dremel BT40-01 build sheets offer durability, convenience, easy removal, and a custom fit that every Dremel 3D40 user will appreciate. Whether you're printing for fun or for work, these sheets will definitely enhance your 3D printing experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.